Hey my peeps, let's make a candy corn themed ice cream cup. I'm going to use a mold for this. You can find this mold on Amazon or Temu. And it's pretty reasonably priced, and I think it's a great mold to have. So I'm going to make a scoop in yellow, white, and orange. And I'm going to kind of layer them in the candy corn order, which is yellow on the bottom. And then I'm going to go and put the orange in there. But I'm going to put a little bit of glue because you want to make sure that this ice cream scoop doesn't move. So I'm using tacky glue. You can use any glue that you have. And then I'm going to put in that white scoop just to give it that 3 scoop look, right? So I'm going to put some more tacky glue on top. I'm going to brush it on there. And I'm doing that because I'm going to put some candy corn themed sprinkles on top. And I want to make sure that they stick really well. So again, I'm using some tacky glue and brushing that on top. Then I'm going to take some sprinkles and just pour them on top. Press them down, make sure they stick to the glue. Then I got some candy corn, some mini candy corn fake sprinkles, and I'm putting that on top here and there. You can use whatever sprinkles you have. I got these sprinkles. All of these sprinkles came from Play Code 3. I could leave a discount code for that, and you guys can grab some. Now I'm just putting some candy corn crumble on top. Okay, now I'm going to put a little chocolate drizzle right like in the middle of that. I probably could have made a bigger drizzle, but I don't know. I didn't want it to like overwhelm the candy corn, so I just put like a little splattering of the fake fudge, which is a mixture of Mod Podge, caulk, and paint. So now I'm just gonna fix it up a little bit. Like I said, I could have probably put more, but I always like overdo it, so I'm kind of scared to like put too much. So I didn't put, I don't know, you can put as much as you want. And then I sprinkled another little bit of the crumble on there. Now I got these candy corn, these bigger candy corn sprinkles, and I'm just going to put some of those on the top. And then I got one of these little spoons. This is also from Dollar Tree. That bowl that the ice cream is in is from Dollar Tree. And this little spoon is from Dollar Tree. And I just cut the spoon part off and I stuck it in there. But you could also make just the 3 scoops on top of each other if you don't want to do it that other way. You have options, all right? I hope you make it. Talk to you soon. Bye.